In this video, we listed the 5 best graphic designers' desks that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ergotron WorkFit-TL Desk. The Ergotron black metal sit-stand desk converter is an innovative and sturdy workstation designed to enhance productivity and ergonomics. Weighing 61.6 pounds and featuring dimensions of 41.38 by 31.5 by 6.75 inches, it offers a generous 37.5 x 23-inch work surface, suitable for supporting dual monitors or a monitor alongside a laptop. The desk includes a 27 x 11-inch keyboard tray that maintains ergonomic spacing by positioning 4.5 inches lower than the work surface. With a no-sway lift offering 15 inches of vertical movement and an easy handbrake lever for smooth adjustments, it promotes a dynamic work environment. Designed for instant use, it requires no assembly and comes with essential accessories such as non-slip pads and cable management tools. Backed by extensive quality testing, the desk converter is built for durability, and Ergotron provides a 5-year warranty along with expert technical support, ensuring reliable performance for daily use. Number 2. VariDesk Pro Plus 36. The VariDesk Pro Plus 36 is a modern, adjustable dual-monitor workstation designed to enhance productivity in office settings. Featuring dimensions of 36-inch dx 29.75 wx 4.5 h, this floating desk converter is built with sturdy alloy steel and boasts a sleek laminated finish. Its spacious two-tier design accommodates dual monitors on the upper deck, while the lower tier is perfect for a keyboard and mouse. The desk's robust construction includes thicker steel and dual stability bars for optimal sturdiness at any height. The ergonomic rowing lift mechanism allows for effortless transitions between sitting and standing positions, promoting comfort and reducing strain. Arriving fully assembled and ready to use, the VariDesk Pro Plus 36 is backed by a trusted brand reputation, a 5-year warranty, and a 30-day free returns policy, making it a reliable choice for a risk-free purchase. Number 3. VIVO 36-inch stand-up desk. The VIVO Desk Riser is a versatile workstation solution designed to promote active standing and enhance productivity. Constructed from durable alloy steel and finished in black, this riser weighs 38.7 pounds and features a spacious surface measuring 91 cm x 56 cm, accommodating both single and dual monitor setups, along with a synchronized keyboard tray that measures 64 cm x 27 cm. The desk's innovative dual pneumatic spring lift assist allows users to transition smoothly from sitting to standing with a simple touch height locking mechanism, offering an adjustment range of 17 cm to 43 cm. This riser requires minimal assembly, enabling users to set it up quickly and efficiently on their existing desk. Additionally, it comes with a reassuring 3-year manufacturer warranty and reliable tech support for any inquiries. Overall, the VIVO Desk Riser is designed to alleviate muscle tension, reduce stress, and create a more comfortable and productive working environment. Number 4. FITUEYES Standing Desk. The FITUEYES adjustable standing desk is a sleek and sturdy workstation designed for versatility and comfort, featuring a black powder-coated metal finish. With a spacious top surface measuring 36 inches by 24.2 inches, it accommodates various setups, including single and dual monitors, as well as laptops. The desk's height can be easily adjusted between 4.3 inches and 19.8 inches using a dual gas spring mechanism, allowing users to switch seamlessly from sitting to standing. This innovative design promotes a healthier work-life balance by encouraging movement throughout the day. Fully assembled for immediate use, the desk supports up to 33 pounds, making it capable of holding multiple monitors and accessories without compromising stability. Number 5. Mount-It Standing Desk. The Mount-It Dual Monitor Desk Converter is a versatile and ergonomic workspace solution designed to enhance productivity and comfort. Featuring a sleek black metal construction, it supports 2 monitors up to 32 inches with a built-in mount that allows for adjustable tilt, swivel, and rotation, helping to reduce glare and eye strain. With a spacious 36-inch work surface, it accommodates dual monitors, laptops, and other essentials, while a large keyboard tray promotes organization and ergonomic use. The height-adjustable design, utilizing a manual lift gas spring mechanism, enables smooth transitions between sitting and standing, fostering better posture and alleviating back pain. Engineered for durability, this desk converter can support up to 33 pounds on the desktop and 17.6 pounds per monitor arm, and its non-skid pads protect the underlying surface. Quick assembly and built-in cable management simplify setup and maintain a tidy workspace. Backed by a lifetime warranty and US-based customer support, the Mount It desk converter offers a reliable and long-lasting solution for modern work environments.